Hi lovely people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be preparing bean leaf soup. So here we have our bean leaves, and then I'll be making use of smoked salmon, then some fresh pepper, and we'll also be making use of locust beans, also known as dawa dawa, and some baking soda. We have our salt to taste. We'll show you the other ingredients as we proceed. So here we are washing the bean leaves. We'll be washing it 2 times, and then the second time we'll be washing it with salt water. We are done washing the beans leaves, so we'll set it aside and let the water drain before we pound it. Here we have some musk melon seeds. We used the small part of the blender to blend this dry, but later we decided to pound it again because it was still a bit rough. After pounding it, we'll also set it aside and use it later. This is actually my first time seeing them prepare bean leaves with muskmelon seeds. What I know is bean leaves and okra. So this is the pounded muskmelon seeds. One is rough and the other is smooth. She'll be making use of both. And now she's pounding the bean leaves. And this is baking soda that she's adding to the bean leaves. You can make use of saltpeter. According to her, the saltpeter is the best, but we don't have that one, so we are making use of the baking soda. The bean leaf is such that as you pound, it begins to release its juice. So here she's squeezing the juice out so that it doesn't splash on her face while she's pounding. Please like the video and click on the subscription button if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching. We are done pounding the bean leaves, so she will transfer the pounded bean leaves together with the juice into a pot. Then after that, she will add more water to loosen it. Our fire is ready, so we went ahead and placed it on fire. Here she is grinding the fresh pepper. She's adding some of the fresh pepper to some of the muskmelon seeds that she pounded. That's the one that was very smooth. Remember, one was smooth and the other was rough. So she's adding some of the pepper and then salt to the one that was smooth. The soup is now boiling, so she's dropping the muskmelon seed that she mixed with the salt and pepper and water into it. After that, she cover this and allow it to continue cooking. It will become like egg that has been added to the stew. So she added some dawa dawa to the pepper. Let's see how this one is. Wow. Egg, egg. The pepper so she's now adding the dawa dawa and the pepper together with the water into the soup, and she also added the remaining musk melon seeds. So after adding this, we'll mix everything together and allow it to continue cooking. So at this point, our soup is ready. You can see some oil has settled on top. If you take a very close look, you can see that there is oil. This shows that the soup is ready. So this soup can be enjoyed with TZ. We mostly eat it with TZ. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button and press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And here we have our soup served with some TZ. It looks so appetizing and it tasted so delicious. This soup is very rich, so please give it a try and let me know what you think. See you in our next video.